Off we go, guys.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. No, have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Miss Silla. If you're here for the first time, thank you for thank you for stopping by my channel. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Also click on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. If you're here for the second, third, and the time, thank you for always watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. If you've not yet subscribed, then this is definitely the time to do so. Kindly click on the subscribe button right away and join the family. So guys, straight into our video. Where did we leave off? Have you been watching my videos? Yes. We left at the point where I was actually moving from the other house to the new apartment, which you can already guess from the wall, to the new apartment. And so guys, this is a video of me moving into the new apartment, and we shall not waste time. Let's look at the process. Stay. Finally getting home. That building over there, the maroon and cream, will be my new home for the next, I don't know, few or many months, I don't know. So there's the house, and that's the truck down there with all my belongings down there. So I'm just waiting for them to bring them in. Yeah, and we can start arranging everything. So here we go, starting to move the things in. I'm just directing them on where to put what and such and such. So the neighbors' kids were so excited about me moving in, and they started to help me. Here they are, these little children. They were so happy about me moving in. They were so excited, so they decided to help them carry things around. Yeah. I liked just how good they were with that. I mean, they were so helpful and everything. Yeah, they are really good children, honestly. I've been received with warmth since I came to this apartment. Especially the children. They're so nice. So nice over here. Yeah. So we're just continuing to bring the things in. Yeah, so my table was actually brought in. Actually, it was messed up even from the vehicle. They were trying to fix it. So I have a glass table. I've had it for almost 2 years now. I think it's 2 years now. And I just realized that it had been messed up. Actually, I think it gets hurt every time that I move to a different apartment. Every time that I move out, my table gets hurt. So I think this might be the last nail to the coffin, maybe.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.